Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel today with Bruni. So today I have the interview. She's my new friend. What is your name?
My name is Divina Abueva.
Okay, Divina. Where are you from?
I'm from Dindoy, Negros Oriental.
Okay. So you're from the Bindoy.
Yeah.
So what are you doing here in Dumaguete?
I'm working
So you're working here in
yeah,
Dumaguete. What kind of work?
sales lady.
Sales lady. So like how many months were you working there?
1 month.
1 month. So, are you stay in or stay out?
Stay in
Stay in. So, do you have a day off
every Friday.
every Friday? So, what time you're beginning for day off?
12 noon to 4 12 noon to 4 in the
So,
afternoon.
like, not whole day, no, half
No,
day
because I'm stay in, but I'm planning to stay out if I have a money to
for rent for the boarding house, for the
rent.
pay the boarding house. But if you're renting the boarding house, it's very expensive. Yeah, and your salary is only the 4,500 a month.
Uh,
And then you told me you're helping to your sister with the school. Okay, that's very kind, guys. And then your sister, uh, what grade is studying?
grade 12.
Grade 12.
Graduating this year.
For the high school. Oh,
Senior high.
senior high. Yeah. Okay. So, why you decide to stop the school? Why you not continue?
Because I have many responsibility with my family.
I see. But you told me you're the second.
Yeah, I'm second.
Wow, you're mature na. You're helping your sister and then you're helping to your family. So how many do you have the sibling?
I don't know because my family is broken. My father
Ah,
have a new
family.
new family, then my
Ah,
mother have a new family.
so you mean you are separated.
Yeah.
So like how many your support to your to help to your family? Like how many sister you help? Only sister you eldest sister you
Yeah.
help? Okay. So you mean is like once a month, how much your give to your sister for the school?
1,000 only
1,000.
because I have palalito.
Sige, sige, stay with me guys. She give to the sister, the eldest sister, 1,000 pesos for helping to the school. Because the 3,500 you keep it
Yeah.
because you need buy to yourself. Okay. So you told me you have a daughter?
Yeah, I have
Siya single mom, guys.
single mom.
She's early for single mom because at that time, uh, now you're 18, right?
Yeah, 19 years.
18, 19.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then you have, how old you're the kids?
9 months.
9 months?
Yeah.
And then how the take care you're the kids?
My grandmother.
Your grandmother. So you mean you're the father to your kid is still the contact with you or no
No,
more?
no.
No more? What happened?
Wala taon siya.
Oh my God. I asked guy what happened. So when the guys is the father of the kids, so Divina is give to Divina for the what the name that what I call that is
Abuse?
abuse. So are you the report in the police station or
No,
barangay?
no.
Why?
Daghan naman kong istorya.
She not like getting problem guys. So she give for the chance for give for the story. Okay. I see. So you means now you're single mom, you have one kid, 9 months, 9 months,
9 months old.
9 months old.
Yeah,
And then your sister, she's still studying.
yeah.
It's good. Hopefully your sister is she's graduating the high school and then she have a plan for continue for the college. Nasa plano?
Wala pa mo, nabaho pa siya kay alam makatigom.
Okay. Stay with me guys. She have a sister. she's still studying. And then if she graduating for the high school, she's looking for job for continue. If she have a money for saving the money, and next year she continue for the college. Oh, I see. So how about you? Do you have a plan for back to the school
I have a
someday?
plan but not now because wala po kwarta.
I say, okay, what is your plan for your future someday? Ano yung plano? Yung pagod kinabuhi?
Kanang akong course sa ganahan.
Mm-mm.
Nursing.
She love the nursing, guys. She have the plan for the future, guys, someday, if she have the money.
Yeah.
But now, she not have a plan because she's focused to yourself, focus herself
And
for helping to the sister. Okay. So, you working in the Okay Okay clothes. What time do you open?
7:30.
7:30 a.m.
Oh,
And then close
8:30.
3:30. Okay. That is your time for your job working in Okay Okay
Huh?
clothes. That is your the first time trabaho diya.
Oh. But I have many experience to work the housekeeper,
Where?
waitress,
Okay. Where? In Dumaguete? Like how many months for working the waitress?
2 months,
2 months? Only 2 months. And then the housekeeping,
1 month.
1 month.
Yeah.
So, Divina, what do you like to advise to the senior aides? Very early to uh, very early to single mom.
Anong
English.
halati.
Okay.
I advise na say English na padalos-dalos.
Do not, do not very fast to,
To have a relationship if you don't know
you need to observe
you need to observe
the aman,
the man to
the attitude.
oh
Okay. Divina, guy told me, if you're going to the relationship, you need to observe
you need
the
to observe them attitude first.
first, okay, before going to enter.
Enter to enter to
What, Divina? Enter what? Enter what? Explain. What kind of the enter?
enter. It's not normal if you kanang kasal na mo.
Enter for going to the live-in partner, like that.
Yeah.
Okay. You need to observe first before you enter for going to the live-in partner.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, that is the interview with Divina now for sharing the life story. Very sad. And Divina, see you next time. Hopefully you come back again to my YouTube channel. And guys, see you next video. Bye bye. And Divina going to the swimming guys with another my friend. So bye bye
Bye
guys.
bye.